Hello and welcome to my channel. So this is a formal introduction to the 8 out of 8 mark paragraph question series that I am currently working on. So in this video, I'll just be giving you guys some tips, right? First of all, I've realized that a lot of learners are searching for paragraph questions on YouTube, but no one is really making videos that specifically focus on that. So I've decided that I'll be making a paragraph question series for you guys, along with the other content that I will be releasing soon, right? So I have eight tips for 8 out of 8. How cool is that? Right? So for the first tip, you are supposed to give me 4 points or more, right? So each question is each point is actually worth 2 marks. So if you have 4 points or more, if you have 4 points, then you're gonna get 8 marks because it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right? Now on the second point, you're supposed to write in paragraph form. You are supposed to write in paragraph form. If the question specifically states that you are supposed to write in paragraph form, if they say write a paragraph of 8 lines or more, then you need to write in a paragraph form. We don't want to be seeing bullet points. We don't want to be seeing dashes or whatever it is, numbered points or whatever. You're not supposed to write like that. You're supposed to write in paragraph form, right? And I'm basically going to teach you guys how to do that, right? Also, yeah, you might be confused because the memorandum basically looks like this. It's like point, but this is the memo. This is just, yeah, this is not how you're supposed to write your answers. You are supposed to write in a paragraph form, unless it's not a paragraph form. Okay, now for the third tip, 1 point, 1 sentence. Please do not take this lightly. 1.1 sentence. If there's 2 points in 1 sentence, then you're gonna get 1 mark. You're gonna get 1 mark. I repeat, if there's more than 1 point in a single sentence, you are going to get awarded 1 mark only for that point. You're not gonna get all those points. So please make sure that each sentence has only 1 point, right? Now for the fourth tip, never impeach yourself. What do I mean by that? Don't say stuff that are basically repetitive. You can't say crops will die and on the next point the crops will be dead. No. Right? So this basically brings me to the fifth tip, actually. Avoid being vague. Avoid being vague. Be very specific. That's what I mean by avoid being vague. So this can lead to actually this point over here, point number 4. So if you use vague terms, you tend to repeat yourself without even knowing. For example, they might ask about the negative impacts of soil erosion, and on the first sentence you say environmental degradation. That is completely correct, actually. And then on the second point you say desertification. It's also a correct point. Okay, you can't just say desertification, but something that has to do with desertification. It's also a correct point, but it actually falls under the first point, right? Because environmental degradation, desertification is a form of environmental degradation. So you guys need to be very careful about these things. And this is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. So yeah, now the sixth point, answer the question. What do I mean by answer the question? A lot of learners don't actually end up answering the question. They, I don't know, they try and explain everything that they know about the topic, but they don't actually answer the question. So please make sure that you answer specifically what the question asks for. Okay? So yeah, if they say they want, for example, the effects of soil erosion, you can actually give both positive and both negative. But if they say they want the positive effects, you can't give me the negative effects, because now you're not answering the question. Same goes to when they ask for the negative effects and you give me the positive effects. You are not answering the question, and you're actually going to lose a lot of marks because of that silly mistake. Point number 7, stay relevant. So if a sentence does not help you to answer the question, or it doesn't even have a point in it, please do not include that sentence in there. Remember, I said 1 point per sentence, so that sentence will be treated as a sentence that is supposed to have a point. And if there's no point in there, they're just going to give you they're just going to subtract a mark there, and you're not gonna get your mark, even though you've written the sentence that has a point after that. You're not gonna get the mark. Okay, now the last tip: practice. You need to practice, guys. Please make sure you practice. Put in as much effort as you can. I see a lot of matriculants are going to be writing their prelims next month. Please practice a lot. I'm telling you guys, you're not going to regret this. If you practice, you are going to get 8 out of 8 marks. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.